Taking a good hard hit off the bat right there.
Light weld full size. Yeah. Burger Boyz Derby. Yeah. August 28, 10, 26.
Like the Rosen bird is out.
5 foot. No, wait. No. That one's out. Working around the 530. Both the jumpers.
Clayton jumper making a good hard hit.
Yeah.
Red flag, red flag, red flag. Get him stopped, get him stopped, get him stopped. Red flag.
Don't want to track. Or look at that one.
So what you see here is a bumper or a tire or anything like that.
Yeah.
We always stop it for safety reasons, so that if somebody would run up over that it wouldn't stab up through the floorboard or something like that. This is a safety thing that we do.
Yeah.
Alright, 1 flag, 2 flag, 3, 2, 1, green flag, green flag, green flag.
Slow down to the jumpers then. Or now wait.
Alright, that pink car out there, he's going to have a lot of trouble moving.
Yeah, he's the one who lost the wheel.
So I would say they have him on the clock.
He'll be out any second here.
And they're going to pack him in a little bit.
Yeah, wow. Come on, guys. Probably related. We'll be coming pretty close to the start. I mean, it's gonna be the darkest if we don't get 9 seconds.
So it looks like the 43 may not be running. It looks like he's working on it in there to try to get that thing fired up.
Alright, looks like
we have a winner. Let's hear it for him, Derby fans.
Alright. It's like 45 won. I think that was Clayton. And Spencer second, and 5:30 was third.